Hi again, everybody. This is Robert here, and this tutorial we want to look at precast panels. This is something I work with in the precast industry, and I found that this is the best way to do this. So anyway, we're going to start out by just placing a. Let's start off with a structural model, and first thing we want to do is place grid lines. So we'll go right here. And we'll place a grid line here. And we'll offset this 25 feet. 12, 25. And we'll pick our pick line command. We'll go 3, 4. Let's go 5. Okay. We have a modify key. Go back to grid. We'll select the grid line in this direction. Go back to our modify key. Select that grid line. And we want to name that A. Okay. And make this really simple. Let's go 25 again. Oops, sorry. We want to go down to level 1. Okay, we want to be in level 1 here. So let's offset this again. Go back to our grid. We want to go back to 25 feet. And let's go to our pick line. 25, 3, 4, A, B, C, D, and let's just stick it there. Let's just stay right here. Make this simple and quick. Okay, now we have our grid. So what we want to do now is we want to place some concrete columns. Let's just make this a full concrete building. So we go to our structure tab. We'll hit column. Or better yet, let's do this. Let's go into our insert tab. Load family. And we'll go down to structural columns. Concrete. And we'll do a rectangular column. Oops, sorry, wrong one. Oh, we want to do that again. We want to cancel that. I don't want that guy. We're going to go insert, load family, structural columns, precast. Oh, sorry. Boy, it's getting late. Concrete. Structural column rectangular. We're going to open here. Yeah, we'll override this array because there's some already loaded in here. So now what we want to do is go to structure, go to column, and we should have our concrete column here. We do. Let's go with a 12 by 18. So we can go to column that grids, and we can select the grid lines. Boom, there are our columns. Oops, sorry. We go to do this again, and we always have to select the green check mark. Now let's go into our south elevation, see what we got here. Okay, now there are columns and they're sitting below. We should have placed them going up, but that's no problem. Let's just go back to level 1. We'll select 1. We'll select all instance in view. Go in project. Now we have the base offset at -9. The base level is 1. We want to make our base level 1 and we want our top level to be level 2. And our base offset will be 0. This will be 0. We'll click apply. Now that should bring us back to where we want to be. So let's go and have a look here in our south elevation. There we go. Now let's go back to our level 1 view. Now, these columns are basically 12 by 18. So now what we want to do here, we want to go and create a wall. And we want to go height. And we want to go up to level 2. So I'll just basically just go here and use my rectangular command and just go right across here like so. Okay. We'll set that there. We want to be too accurate. We're just using this to show you how to do precast walls. So there's our wall. So now we want to place some openings here. So let's go to, let's see what we got here in 3D view. Okay, looking good. And we want to change this to fine. And let's look at this realistic. So there's our walls. Now another thing I want to show you guys here, since we're here, we want to go and place isolated footings. So we can go here. Let's do this in the plan view. We can actually do this the same way we did the columns. We can go isolate footing. We can go at grids. And we can just go select here. Grab those and boom. There are isolated. Uh-oh, sorry. Keep getting that. Let's just grab this guy here. We can do this as well. We'll go cancel. Let's go do this one more time. Let's go isolated footing at grids. So we'll select all of our grids, and there are isolated footings. Oops. What you got to remember is when you do this command, you got to always remember to check this guy. Now, there are isolated footings. So let's go have it back into the 3D view. And you see our footings are placed on the columns, right below the columns. So let's go back into our level 1 view. We need to probably put some openings in here, but we'll do that later. So now we have we use this as a generic wall. And normally, let's just select these, select all instances in view. So we got all the walls. So we picked the basic wall. So let's go down and let's find a, let's go to the 8-inch concrete wall. Okay, now have another look. We've got concrete. Now let's go to level 1. Of course, we need openings here. So let's go here and place some openings. So we'll go into the structure tab. We can go to architecture. We can place a door opening. And in architecture, we'll just get a solid opening. No doors, in structure. And then we can go in here, we can take this door openings and actually select it. And we can edit the type. And we can duplicate that type. We got a 36 by 24. Let's make this a little bigger. Let's make this let's make it 4 feet. Let's make it a 48. Oops, backspace. 48 by 84 is good. 84. And then here we're gonna go okay. And here we can just go right here and say 48 inches by 84. We click OK. And there's our new door opening. And that's just place a window here too. We can go window. But the whole purpose of the exercise really is to basically show you how to do a precast wall. But anyway, while we're here, let's go and add, let's go to level 2. And let's add beams. So we'll go to the structure tab, we'll add beam. See if we have any concrete beams in here. Yes, we do. Let's go to 12 by 24. That's a pretty big beam, but let's use it anyway. So we'll go select all and finish. Going on there. Okay, now we have our beams, our concrete beams here. Looking pretty good. Now, at this point, we're going to just go in and I want to show you how to create these walls, and we'll carry on with this structure later on. So what I've done with concrete precast walls, and we'll go with insulated, we'll select this wall, we'll edit the type. And then we'll go here and right here on the structure, we'll edit it once again. And then we'll click preview so we can see the wall, and we'll look at this in section view. Okay, now you all know that a precast wall is, we go different thicknesses. So let's go with let's go to 333. So we'll go insert, and we'll go ahead with category, and we'll, oh, taking a little time here. We'll select the builder block here if I can. There you go. And we'll go with, wow, slow tonight. Okay, insulation. Rigid insulation. And we'll click OK. So now we'll give this, we'll add another layer, and we'll add another layer of concrete. And I think here we want to go precast concrete. Let's go precast. Is it there? Let's go concrete. It should be over there. So there you go. Where's precast? Okay, so we'll take that one. So we got our precast concrete, and then here again we want to do the same. We want to add another layer of precast concrete, and click OK. So now we got to give it a size. So this will be 3 inches for precast. Maybe we go 4 inches. I think most of those precasts are like the little 4 inches. 3 is kind of thin. Then we'll go 4 inches of rigid insulation. 4. And we'll go here with another 4 inches of precast. Click OK. Let's zoom in here. So there we have our 3 layers. We have precast, insulation, and precast. Now, to do the block out, it's kind of tricky. So we can go in here and let's go down here. We'll go ahead and edit. And we can go merge regions. Okay, I'm sorry. We want to cancel that. I think we're going to do that. Uh-oh, did I lose it? I did. Let's go back and do that again. Good practice anyway. So let's go back into edit. There we go. There's our wall types. So for now, let's just stick with the 3 layers, and we click OK. Apply, and OK. So now we have our 3 layers. Let's cut a section through here to make sure we're doing this properly. Put it back here. Uh-oh, no we're not. Let's cancel that and go back. Let's select this wall, edit type, and we want to duplicate. Always duplicate. Let's call this precast wall panel. Sorry guys, I've done this in a while. I'm not in the precast industry anymore. But this is the best way I find to do this, and we'll go okay. And then we'll edit this. There we have our different wall types. And we'll click OK. And we'll go OK. Now we should have our precast wall. So if I go into this section, click Find, and there you see our precast wall. We got our 3 inches of insulation, and we got 3 inches of precast. So now, let's go back and set this guy off. Now, what in the precast industry, they normally split walls and they have reveals and things. So let's go add a reveal quickly if I can. Let's go into 3D view, and let's go where it says architecture. I hope we have a nice default in here. I don't want to have to make one. Oh, come on. We go to wall, reveal. We got one here. Great. It's kind of big though. That's okay. So we've got that reveal there. Let's put it here as well. Go and put one here. So we've got our reveal and our wall panels. We put one there. Now what we want to go in here and do is, there, it's cleared it out. It's pretty thick, so that's okay for now. I'll add some reveals later. This is just to show you how to do a precast wall. Now we go back into our level 1. And in the precasters, they normally do 3/4 inch splits. So let's go to structure. I'm sorry, modify. And we go split with gap. Here we want to say 3/4 of an inch. And then we'll go, most of them are 11 feet, so let's go 11 feet here, gap. And we go another 11 here. We'll do another 11 feet here. So basically, you know, we fit them in where they go in. We generally don't want to go right over column, or we want to split a column. We go another 11 feet. Level 6. Now we go over column, we want to go right on the split, so that's okay. And then we do another 11. So you see where I'm going here? There's another 11. Let's go right here. Let's split these guys on the end, 7, 6, or whatever. And then go up here, do another, and then we go 11. So we splitting at 3/4 inch gaps. And the main idea for the precast, they want to make as many panels the same as possible for production or prefabrication. So we go back with another 11. And we'll do another, we'll go 11 here, but they don't typically like to do it. They want to go right on the column, which I should did, but I don't have time for that. Getting late. And then we go do another one here. So we'll come this way, go 11 feet, 11 feet, another 11. Oh, 10, 6. That's okay. That might work out good for us. And they normally want to do that right there. Split right on the, let's go 11. We'll do another 11. And go up to here. For that opening, we want to go right center opening and bah. That's good. And then we want to go this way. Let's go 11. Another 11. 11, 6. Oh, that's too big, but that's okay. It can be modified. 11. 11. I mean, to me, this was the best way I would do precast panels because they have many different types of way. You can also use mullions, but I didn't have that much success with those. And then you can go here, look at this in 3D view, and there we have our wall panels, precast wall panels with reveals. Let's go in here and look at this in hidden line. So there you go. And also now, these panels can be adjusted. Um, say if I wanted to change the height here, let's go to 12 feet. There you go. So, and then also you can pull these out for piece tickets. But anyway, guys, I just want to show you this brief exercise on precast wall panels. They work in Revit. There's our opening right there. We can place windows, and another good thing is we can even place wire mesh reinforcing because these are structural walls. So if I grab one of these walls, I'll just go grab this one with the opening to show you this here. We go here and we go structure. We go area reinforcing. Um, go area reinforcing here, and we should be able to pick this guy. Okay, and we go okay, and then we can just pick the lines. You can pick this line, this one, this one, this one, this one, this line. Now what we need to do here, we need to split this again, or we can clean this up. Pull that back, I'm sorry. I don't think I want to go this far with this. But I'm just showing you that you can do wall panels. Uh-oh. If I can split that out. I tell you what, guys. This will be another. Let me just check this anyway. Okay, continue. So these lines are gotta be fixed. Let me get this out of here. I'll use my tab. Move this back to here. Okay. Just delete this guy out. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have used the door opening. Would have been a lot easier to use a. Now let's go and place the line here. There. And click finish. Okay, we gotta continue. We got an issue here. Cancel this. I think there are two there. Delete. We wanna place a line here. Let's do the pick line. Tab. There it is. Line scanner is okay. So cancel that. Let's fix this. We got a problem here. Apparently. I think I got it now. Nope. Line scanner is okay. I think we have a double line situation here. It's not this difficult. I just want to show you how to do reinforcing in a precast wall, but the issue I'm having here is I picked the more difficult one, which I shouldn't have done. Lines cannot intersect each other. The highlighted lines currently intersect. Okay. So let's grab this guy. These guys have to be cleaned up. So I'll go here, like that guy. Find him. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I should have did it. Nope. So what I'll do is I'll select the easier one. Let's cancel that out. Yes. The easier one would have been one without an opening. I'm just trying to be difficult. So let's go area reinforcing. Select the wall. Okay. Pick the lines. That one. That one. Oh, that's what happened. Okay. Sorry, guys. But anyway, the whole purpose of this exercise was to show you that you can do precast wall panels in Revit. This is what I've always done in the past. I've had fairly good success with it because it took a while to get how to do precast wall panels. I'm just trying to show the area reinforcing. Um, I'm struggling with it a bit here because it's late. I see what the problem is there. I want to go on my thin line so I can sit. There we go. Cancel that. I'm going to get rid of that line. Delete that one out. And let's go finish. Can I intersect each other? Highlight lines can intersect. Okay. Continue. Let's see if I can fix this right quick. If not, we'll pick this up in another exercise. Getting close. Let's delete this one out. Oh, yep, that's the problem there. Let's see, these are the looped lines, so let's delete that. And let's just close this off. There. I hope this works. If not, boom, there you go. So there's our area reinforcing. So that's showing reinforcing, and let's do it in a wireframe. And you can see the reinforcing in the wall. So you can do wall panels, and we can go ahead and put all types of connections here. But anyway, I just wanted to show you a quick demonstration of how to do precast walls in Revit. Thanks again, and if you like this video, please subscribe. It'll help me out a lot. Thank you, and bye.